Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Priority. Today, I'm going to show you what to do if you accidentally out of a domain on Windows 10. This happened to a friend of mine who works in IT. He accidentally switched a user PC from a domain to a workgroup. The user then couldn't log into their domain account. After some investigation, my friend found that the PC was no longer part of the domain. Even though the PC was connected to the domain network, he couldn't do anything. So, what do you do in this situation? I'll show you in this video. Let's get started. First things first, we need to access the recovery options. To do this, restart your computer and press Shift while clicking Restart. This will take you to the Windows recovery environment. Once you're in the recovery environment, follow these steps. 1. Click on Troubleshoot. 2. Select Advanced Options. 3. Click on Command Prompt. You have to choose an account to continue to Command Prompt. Enter the password of the account. Now, we're going to use the command prompt to enable the hidden administrator account. Type Regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. In the registry editor, highlight H-key local machine. Then, click on File and select Load Hive. A File Explorer window will pop up. Click on this PC to switch from the boot drive, usually labeled X, to your main OS drive, typically C. In my situation, the OS drive is on D. Next, navigate to Windows, then System32, and finally Config. Select the SAM file and click Open. When prompted, name the new hive. You can use any name. I'll call it Test. Now, expand the new hive under H-key local machine, navigate to SAM, Domains, Account, Users, and select the first user, 000001F4. Double-click on F to edit the binary data. On line 00000038, change the value from 11 to 10 to enable the administrator account. Click OK to save the changes. Once that's done, highlight the loaded hive, in this case, Test. Click on File and select Unload Hive. Confirm the action, then close the registry editor and restart your computer. After the restart, you should see the administrator account option on the login screen. Log in using the administrator account and you're back in. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the administrator account and regained access to your system. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.